On behalf of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry Navotas Chapter, I warmly welcome all of you to the second day of the Navotas Business Conference 2025. Today marks another milestone as we reaffirm our shared commitment to strengthen local enterprises, no matter how big or small they are, foster innovation in an environment of seeming uncertainty with its results, and build partnerships even when intentions are sometimes doubted. All of this we shall transcend if we know the very purpose of why we are all gathered here today: to grow as one business community and making sure that no one gets left behind.
This is my presentation about CheckFresh, Sustaining Market Confidence the PFDA Way. Sa ilalim nito ay also ang pinangalagaan values ng PFDA when it comes to delivering fish and fishery products sa ating community. At ito ay yung tiwala or trust. Tiwala na, katulad nun, tiwala na ang mabibili niyong isda sa market, since 70% ng isda sa Metro Manila ay na-unload at dumadaan sa Navotas Fish Park Complex. Tiwala na malinis at tiwala na ligtas ang mga kinakain nating isda. Kung makikita niyo po, ang CheckFresh or F-R-E-S-H ay acronym po siya na may iba't ibang kahulugan. So, pero ang pinaka-tagline po ng office, ang program na ito ay Safer Fish Port, Achieve yan. So, pwede ba lang sabihin, sabay-sabay, Safer Fish Port, Achieve yan. It is a reminder for everyone na ang food safety is a shared responsibility. So, ang side ng PFDA, isa lang sa, kumaga, players dun sa kabuuan ng food safety sa PFDA. So, we also wanted to remind our clients and ask our clients to also be mindful dahil ito ay shared responsibility nga at lahat tayo ay kailangan may contribution sa pagpapatupad ng food safety kasi as consumers, gusto rin natin na na ma-make sure na yung mga kinakain natin at mga pinagkasaluhan nating isda sa ating mga hapagkainan ay talagang wala tayong kaba na dumaan siya sa maayos na proseso, na handle siya ng PFDA in the most best way possible.
Okay, I'm Rosalyn L. Civillo, the OIC of the Finance and Admin Unit. However, I am also the Regional Fees Inspector of the BFAR NCR. Kami po yung in charge sa accreditation ng mga cold storage. So, I will present the accreditation of cold storage warehouse for fishery products. This is a process that ensures that cold storages facility meet the highest standard of hygiene and temperature control.
Okay, si National Meat Inspection Service, siya po ang nag-iisang regulatory agency under the Department of Agriculture na sole national controlling authority on all matters pertaining to meat po. Okay, so yung aming pinaka-mission po is makapag-provide kami ng modernized meat inspection services sa lahat po ng meat establishment, hindi lang sa meat establishment, pati din po sa mga meat distribution channels or yung mga karne po na kung saan may nagaganap na bentahan ng karne.
Ang ating pong vision, ang BFAR po ay offering services para sa ating po mga stakeholders na matulungan po yung kanilang negosyo, which is also one of our main agenda for this event. Isday Sapat. Ito po ay tumutugon sa ating pong panawagan ng ating presidente on food security. And kaya nga po marami pong mga interventions, capacity building, at binibigay po no, mga kumbaga konting patulong po para sa ating po mga fisher folk to ensure na meron tayong sustainable and food secure na bansa. And of course, mangingisda ay angat. No? Yun naman po yung ating pinaka-main goal, is to uplift the lives of our fisher folk and of course the whole stakeholders of the industry. So the roles of BFAR no, in terms of marketing services, so meron ho tayong 4 na kumbaga pinaka-role or function no, ng BFAR when it comes to marketing. Also to promote yung ating fair and efficient marketing fishery products, help our fisher folk access better market access opportunities. And I think ito yung umaangkla no, sa ating theme ngayon ng ating first Navotas Business Conference. It's about giving opportunities from the sea to city opportunities. Ibig sabihin, pag hinarvest natin siya, meron tayong alam na assured market pagdating po sa ating kabuhayan. Ensure quality and safety of products, and again, support programs on price stabilization and product distribution.
Habang nakikita ng mga Pilipino na ang rice terraces ay tourist attraction, nung ginawa ko po yung research ko, naiba na yung pagtingin ko. Ang ating rice terraces ay hindi na tourist attraction. Siya po, para sa akin, ay timeless proof ng Filipino leadership ingenuity. Ngayon, baka sabihin niyo, sir, kwento-kwento lang yan eh. Patunayan mo nga kung bakit dapat yung tao ay sentro ng leadership ng mga Pilipino. Papatunayan natin yan. Meron ako inimbento, tinatawag na framework. Kasi ang thesis natin, if the rice terraces were built by free men and no single leader took the credit for building them,
and they were sustained for 2,000 years. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Kung model ng sustainability ang pag-uusapan, pwede natin kunin yung model ng rice terraces. Ano yung mga nagawa, ano yung mga values, ano yung mga philosophy nung araw. Hindi na dapat tayo mag-invent or humingi ng tulong sa ibang bansa. Kasi meron tayong sariling model na sariling atin. Okay? Ano yung question? Ano yung nawawalang sining? Lost art of Filipino leadership. So, nasagot na natin yan dito sa presentation ko. Ang nawawala, step back leadership. By textbook definition, philosophy of putting the people at the center of leadership. Dahil originally, sa leadership story ng Pilipino, tao ang bida, hindi ang leader. The only reason you're a leader is the people. So if you're going to lead, put the people at the center of leadership. Kung gusto mo maging madali ang buhay mo bilang leader, isipin mo lang yung sarili mo. Hayahay ang buhay mo. Bakit? Hindi ka mag-a-adjust, wala kang problema. Lahat ng mga tao sa paligid mo, paggalawin mo lang, susunod naman yan eh. Ako yung leader eh. Madali yung buhay mo, di ba? Pasunurin mo lang. Pero nagiging mahirap ang leadership if you try to understand every single person in your organization. And you work from there. But also, is the most sustainable. Gaano natin kakilala ang mga tao natin? Gaano natin kakilala ang mga katrabaho natin? Ito yung gusto ko sabihin sa inyo bilang part na magiging conclusion ko. The greatest test of leadership is not what happens when you are around. It's what happens when you are in the background. Gusto mong i-test ang leadership mo? Mag-file ka ng leave of absence for 2 years. Good luck kung makakabalik ka pa. Mawala ka sa office. I-chat-chat ka ba? I-text ka ba? Or kaya na nila kahit wala ka? Kasi pag ang sagot is, kaya nila yan kahit 2 weeks akong walang gagambala sa akin, nagbabakasyon ako sa Boracay. Wala talaga kasi kaya nila yan. That is leadership. Because pwede kang mag-lead kahit hindi ka physically present.
So three topics ang gusto ko yung discuss sa inyo. Number 1, overview of cold storage industry in the Philippines. Second, Prabel as cold storage operator. Pangatlo, sustainable innovation, challenges, and opportunity. The cold chain plays a vital role in preserving perishable products that require a temperature-controlled environment to extend their shelf life. When you do this, by maintaining optimal conditions throughout the supply chain, the quality and safety of food and pharmaceutical products are effectively safeguarded. Let us build Navotas that doesn't just rise, but leads. Prabel is ready to play its part. The question is, are you?
It is an honor for Thermomobile Inc. and an entirety of the Aboitiz Power to be an event partner for this historic inaugural Navotas Business Conference 2025, aptly entitled Navotas Rising, Empowering Industries from Sea to City of Opportunities. When we talk about rising, we're not talking about business growth and revenue targets. We are talking about sustaining the human ambition and livelihoods of every Navoteño family. Navotas is dubbed now as a fishing capital of the Philippines and is a title of immense pride. But it carries an even greater responsibility. According to the latest data from our friends from Department of Agriculture, approximately 70% of our Metro Manila's fish supply passes through the Navotas city. And this city is an essential artery for food. Our purpose is simple: to make sure that you have electricity and that you can rely on every second of every day, so you can focus on growing your business and uplifting lives. Our operations are defined by 3 pillars. Number 1 is reliability. That means we ensure that the power grid, has the necessary capacity to operate 24/7. Second is energy affordability, working with our customers to provide the cost-effective and predictable electricity rates. And third is energy responsibility, leading the charge in the transition towards a cleaner energy future. Our dedication to Navotas goes beyond the megawatts we generate. It is about being a social enabler of balanced energy transition by helping ensure energy security and affordability. As we look to Navotas Rising, we recognize that sustainable growth requires secure, stable, and smart energy solutions. And as we look forward to partnering with you, the visionary leaders of Navotas, as we collectively power Navotas Rising well into the future.
I believe our story reflects the very essence of your team today, transforming industries from sea to city. Navotas, known as the fishing capital of the Philippines, thrives because the abundance of the sea. Yet, like many coastal communities, it faces challenges in maximizing the full potential of its resources. Our journey with tilapia ice cream began with a simple but powerful idea to reimagine how fish, one of our most valuable marine and aquaculture resources, could be presented not just as a staple on the table, but as a driver of innovation, nutrition, and entrepreneurship. This event is very timely. Ang ganda po ng ginawa ng PCCI to convene all of us in this congregation, in this convention, for nagkakakilala po tayo, nagkakaroon tayo ng networking, at malaking opportunity ito para po sa Navotas at sa mga entrepreneurs. And third, inclusivity makes growth sustainable. When communities, especially the marginalized, are part of the journey, the impact multiplies. In our case, every pint, every bites of tilapia ice cream carries with a story of empowerment, of farmers gaining better income, of families with disabilities finding work, of youth seeing research as a tool for change. Navotas can replicate this by ensuring that every innovation uplifts not only businesses, but also people at the grassroots.
Our unit is responsible for ensuring that all operations within the port adhere to strict food safety standard and environmental regulations. We work closely with stakeholders, port users, and regulatory agencies to maintain the quality and safety of fishery products handled in the complex while also promoting sustainable and eco-friendly practices. Navotas Fishport Complex serves as a key hub for national fish distribution, playing a vital role in ensuring the steady supply of fresh fish and quality fish products for Metro Manila and nearby provinces. Ang isa sa core responsibilities po namin ay to ensure sanitation and hygiene in all fish market halls. Dito po sa fish market halls, regular tayong nagsasagawa ng cleaning and disinfection bago at pagkatapos ng bawat operasyon para maiwasan ang contamination ng isda at mapanatiling safe ito para sa mga mamimili. Isa sa mga upcoming projects natin dito sa Navotas Fishport Complex ay ang pagbubukas ng sarili nating Materials Recovery Facility or yung tinatawag na MRF. Itong pasilidad na ito ang nagsisilbing sentro ng waste segregation at recycling activities sa loob ng port. Dito dadalhin ang mga nabubulok, recyclable, at residual waste para maayos na maproseso bago i-dispose. Sa tulong ng MRF, mababawasan ang volume ng basurang napupunta sa landfill at mas mapapaganda ang solid waste management system natin. Dito sa Navotas Fishport Complex, isa sa mga hakbang natin para maging environment friendly at sustainable ang operation ay ang pagpapatupad ng ating mga green initiatives. Marami na po tayong stakeholders na nag-initiate dito, kabilang dito ang pag-install ng solar panels para makatipid sa kuryente at mabawasan ang carbon footprint ng ating mga pasilidad. Mayroon din tayong mga energy saving systems tulad ng LED lighting at efficiency programs sa mga market halls at opisina para mas maging matipid at eco-friendly ang paggamit ng enerhiya. Sa pamamagitan ng mga proyektong ito, ipinakikita natin na ang Navotas Fishport Complex ay hindi lang sentro ng kalakalan ng isda, kundi isa ring modelo ng sustainable at environment-conscious management.
So, as we often say, Navotas lives by the sea and thrives because of it. Now, our economy, our jobs, and our daily way of life revolve around fishing, seafood processing, and logistics. That's why when we talk about cold storage, it's not just about keeping the fish fresh. It's about keeping livelihood, protecting income, and ensuring food security. Not just for Navotas, but for the millions of families across Metro Manila who rely on us for their daily food supply. Every day, thousands of traders, workers pass through the Navotas Fishport Complex, which is the largest in the country, and around 70% of our local economy is connected to fisheries and related services, from ice production and warehousing to processing and transport. Cold storage plays a vital role in the ecosystem. Today, Navotas hosts 37 registered cold storage facilities serving seafood, meat, poultry, fruits, and other perishable goods. We are proud that Navotas accounts for 38% of Metro Manila's total cold storage capacity, positioning the city as a major hub in the country's food supply chain. Our cold storage operators and logistic providers work hand in hand to ensure that the fish caught from Navotas and other fishing grounds across the Philippines are safely stored, handled, delivered, reaching dining tables not only nationwide, but also across international markets in top quality condition. We also take pride in our local seafood processing enterprises that continue to add value to our catch, creating jobs, opening new markets, and keeping the blue economy vibrant and sustainable in the city. So moving forward, our focus will be first to sustain and enhance the business-friendly environment and secure the fisheries sector through strategic initiatives that drive innovation, efficiency, and resilience. We also want to expand the cold storage capacity and ensure accessibility for micro and small players, encourage innovation through automation, data systems, and renewable energy integration, strengthen public-private partnerships to attract new investments and technology, and simplify regulations further, removing unnecessary steps that slow down the progress. Through these actions, we aim to position Navotas as the cold chain capital of the region, not just because of the scale, but because of the efficiency, sustainability, and shared growth.